Hello, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play as Accompaniment Only Time by Enya. So I've left my other Enya tutorials linked in the description below, as well as where you can find the full chords and lyrics to this song. I'll sing just as a reference point. So let's dive in. This one is in the key of E flat major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of E flat major. So these are the notes we are working with, and it does change key in the bridge part as well. Here is middle C as a reference point. So on the top screen, the left hand will be blue and the right hand will be orange. So the intro is nice and simple. I'm going to play in octaves in my left hand, but you don't have to if you can't stretch octaves. So we want E flats. And then we're going to break up the E flat major second inversion chord. We play the left hand first. And the right hand's going to play B flat, E flat, B flat, G, B flat, E flat, B flat. So like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we do that 4 times. That's the intro. And then the verse starts, so we do that once more. And then the left hand's going to come to C, so this next chord is C minor, all second inversion chords, so C's. And then the right hand's going to play in the same pattern, G, C, G, E flat, G, C, G. Do that again. And then we have A flat major second inversion, so the left hand's going to come down to A flats, and then the right hand is going to play E flat, A flat, E flat, C, E flat, A flat, E flat. We'll do that again. And then back to E flat again, second inversion. So the chord progression there is on the screen. So I'll just run through the verse without singing. So now I'll just demonstrate the verse. Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time? And who can say if your love grows, as your heart shows, only time? And now we're into this, what I'm going to call like a refrain part. So the So there we have a lot of the same chords that we've already been through played in the same way. We have the C minor chord, and then the A flat major one, and then we come up to B flat major root position. So this one we haven't had yet. So B flat's in the left hand, and the right hand's going to play B flat, D, B flat, F, B flat, D, B flat. So in the same pattern. then we come back to the E flat major chord. So we do that once, 1 and 2 and 3 and then we're going to play B flat over D as a chord. So the B flat, D, F in the right hand, but with a D in the bass. So from the E flat chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then as you can see on the screen, we go back to the C minor, A flat major, and then the B flat major twice. So I'll just play that refrain part again. So again, this is a mi da da da, mi da da da. So now we're into the second verse. So if you want to keep it simple, you can just play the second verse exactly the same way as the first verse. If you want to add these passing bass notes in there, I'll show you what that is now. So the chord structure is exactly the same. So as you can see on the screen, I've just added in the passing bass notes. So let's go through it. So we play the E flat as normal, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we play D before we go into C minor. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, D into C, and 2 and 3 and 4. We're going to change to B flat, which leads us down into A flat major, and 2 and 3 and 4. We play B flat again before we go into the E flat again. So let's do all of that again slowly. D, C, B flat, A flat, B flat, E flat. When that repeats, you could play the B flat to the E flat again if you want to. So I'll just demonstrate this second verse then, and then that goes straight into the refrain again, and then into the third verse. Who can see where your heart sighs as your love lies? Only time. And who can say why your heart cries when your love lies? Only time. So this third verse, there's nothing new. You can see there we have A flat to E flat twice at the end of this verse. So I'm just going to continue, so there's nothing new. It's just the structure of this third verse is just slightly different. Who can say when the roads meet that love might be in your heart? And who can say when the day sleeps And then we're into this. So this is where it changes to F sharp major. So we have 6 sharps, which are on the screen there. We have this quicker concession of chords. So we have F sharp major root position, so it's F sharp in the left hand, and then F sharp, A sharp, C sharp in the right hand. And then we have C sharp major, so C sharp in the left hand, and in the right hand we have F, or technically it's an E sharp, G sharp and C sharp. So we have, and then we have B major first inversion, so B in the left hand. In the right hand, that's D sharp, F sharp and B. So we have F sharp, C sharp, B. And then we have F sharp major again, but it's in second inversion this time, so F sharp in the left hand again, and then C sharp, F sharp, A sharp in the right hand. So there. And we do that chord progression 3 times, almost 4 times. So. And then this time we play the F sharp, C sharp, B major, and then so to sort of turn back around into getting into E flat major key again, we play the 5th chord of E flat major, so that's B flat major, B flat, and then second inversion of B flat major in the right hand, so that's F, B flat, and D, and then we do this, which we've had before twice. So I'll just play all of that bridge again then. And then we have the 4th verse / outro all the way to the end. So there's nothing new, so it'll all be on the top screen, so I'm just going to continue until the end. So at the end there, we end on E flat major first inversion as the chord. So that's E flats in the left hand and then G, B flat, E flat. So that's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.